Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the LycaMobile internet settings for all countries. For a fast connection, a stable connection. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And don't forget to drop a like on this tutorial. So I'll start up the tutorial. So first step, we're going to open the phone settings. And once you open settings, you're going to go to connections. Then after connections, choose mobile networks, and then in the mobile networks choose access point names, and then you press the plus button. Now this is what we're going to set. So we're going to put name as LycaMobile LycaMobile 5G. Then check OK. Now the APN, you're going to use internet. Now the proxy, don't set it. The port, don't set it. The server, the server you're going to use http //www.google.com, and then let us talk about the authentication type. Don't set the APN type. You're going to put default. Check OK. Now the APN roaming protocol, IPv4, IPv6, and the APN protocol, the same. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marius Tech, and I sign out.